I have added a new activity and typed and added a fragment over here, a support map fragment, and inside the Java file I have found that fragment by ID. Nothing new here. Let's call getMapAsync. I'm pressing Alt Enter and choosing make camera map event activity implement on map ready callback. Pressing Enter again. Okay, in this video we are going to talk about the common events for map. I'm going to change the name of this one to map and make a private Google Map object. Also initializing that with the map. The first listener I am going to talk about is onMapLoaded. Set onMapLoaded callback, typing this, pressing enter, choosing second option. Okay, what does this event do? This basically happens when the map is completely loaded. I am going to add a tag over here. And I am going to just show a message in the logcat when the map loads. I am typing log m, which log method name and its arguments. Okay, on map loaded. There are some other listeners over here. Let's add them too. Let's actually call this one Google Map. I have added set on map click listener, set on map long click listener, which is clear what to do. Set on camera idle listener. This happens when the camera isn't moving anymore. Set on camera move started when you start to move the camera, and this one when the camera is moving, and on move canceled when you cancel the move. Okay, so basically we have added all the listeners, but we also need to implement those. So okay, I am showing a message in each of them. So there is one thing on camera move cancel listener. We need to make an animation for the on camera move. So the on camera move will take a few seconds. Then we can call on move cancel. Let me explain you better. Okay. When I long click on the map, I want to move the camera. So Google Map dot instead of move camera, I am going to use another method which is called animate camera. This is basically the move camera but with an animation. Then I am calling camera update factory dot new latlan, and I am going to add Sydney to over here. Okay, this is the location for Sydney. So when I long click on the map, it will move the camera to Sydney with an animation. And when I click on the map, I want to stop the animation or stop moving to there, which will call onCameraMoveCanceledListener. So basically, this lines of code and over here was added to show you on move cancel. you can see that onCameraIdle and onMapLoaded is called because the camera doesn't move and the map is completely loaded now. Let's move the camera. As you can see, camera move and the first camera move started is called, and after that onCamera move is called, and when we stop moving, that camera idle will be called. If I line click on the map, you can see the animation runs and it says on map line clicked, on map moved, and after that the camera is idle. Let's change it over here. We can see a lot of onCamera move is called. And this time I am going to line click, but before it reaches to the destination, I am pressing the click to actually cancel the onCamera move. So let's do it. You see, I clicked immediately and it says onCamera move cancel called, because before it reaches the destination, I clicked and we stopped the animation which cancels the camera move. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe, and if you like our videos, please like them or add a comment or share it with your friends.